So let's move on to the next question, guys. In this question, we are given that ABC is not equals to 0, AC is greater than 0, and we have to find the x-intercept of the line AX plus BY plus C is equals to 0, right? So we are given the line AX plus BY plus C is equals to 0, right? This is the line given. So if we want to calculate the x-intercept, then we make y is equals to 0. And if we want to calculate the y-intercept, then we make x is equals to 0, right? So in this case, we have to calculate the x-intercept, right? So in this case, what we will do is that we will make y is equals to 0. Okay. So we will make y is equals to 0. So if y is 0, then what happens? Then this means ax plus c is equals to 0, right? So what is the value of x? X is equals to what? Minus c upon a. So this is the value of x, which is minus c upon a, right? So we have to calculate x basically, right? Now we also know that ABC is not equals to 0 and AC is greater than 0, right? Now tell me one thing, if AC is greater than 0, right? That means either both A and C are greater than 0 or both A and C are less than 0, right? This means that A comma C is greater than 0, both A and C are greater than 0, or both A and C are less than 0, right? Because it is not possible that one is positive and one is negative. Because, for example, if A is positive and C is negative, then the product of A and C will be negative, right? So that is why in this case, either both have to be positive or both have to be negative, right? Okay. So these are the two possible cases. Now tell me one thing, if both A and C are positive, right? So what will be this value? If you remove the negative sign for 1 second, right? So if A and C are both positive, then C upon A will also be positive, because if this is positive, so C upon A will be positive. But if we include a negative sign over here, right, then this thing becomes negative, right? Similarly, if A and C both are negative, for example, C is also negative, let's say minus 3, right? And A is also negative, let's say minus 5, any value, right? So what will be this? This will be 3 upon 5, right? But if we include one negative sign, then this also becomes negative, right? That means irrespective of whichever case we take, the value of minus c upon a, will always be negative, right? This means the answer becomes the second part, which is negative. That means the x-intercept of this line will be negative. I hope this should be clear.